Right, so I'd like to go over the area of a triangle using sine rule. The rule is basically one in which we use two lengths of a side and an angle. So let's say we've got angle A over here, and then here we've got angle B and C. We can call their opposite sides by B, A, and C. And the rule basically states that the area equals half AB sine C. Now, notice what's happening here. We've got length A, here we've got length B, and this angle C is the angle which is made up of these two sides, A and B. Similarly, we can rearrange this equation. If we're looking for some other sides, we can have, say, area equals half AC sine of B. Why do I have sine B? Because this angle here is made up of the lengths A and C. So here we've got C, here we've got A, and it's the angle which goes in between them. So here's a question which you've got to find the area of angle PQR. Angle R is 80, P is 36, and Q is 64, and the sides are 8 and 7 for RQ and PQ. You might want to pause the video here, have a go at it, and then come back once you've got an answer. Right, so let's go over the answer. We're looking for the area of angle PQR, and we have 8 and 7, so therefore the angle that's made out of these two lengths is 64, so we'll be using angle 64. And if we then just substitute these values into our formula, where area equals half times 8 times 7 times the sine of 64, and that should give us 25.2 to 3 significant figures. Okay, some of you might be wondering where the formula comes from, so let's look at this triangle ABC. It's a non-right angle triangle, and we know that the formula for a triangle, the area of a triangle ABC is half base times height. So we'll just write that down. Area equals half base times height. Okay. Now, if I was to draw a line straight down over here, and let's call this H. Now we have a right angle triangle. We can see that H divided by 4 is the sine of 47. Okay, because of the sine rule, so we've got the opposite over here and the hypotenuse over here, and therefore H equals 4 sine 47. Now if we go back to our formula for area equals half base times height, we have the area of triangle ABC equals half times the base, which is 7, times the height, which is 4 sine of 47, and that should add up to give us 10.2 to 2 decimal places. But what we essentially see is that we've got half in there, we've got 7, which is here, and we've got 4, and then C. So we can generalize this to say the area equals half AB sine C, where C is the angle made up by the lengths A and B.